The East Tennessee Technology Park's major transformation began in 2004. The first big change happened with the removal of 6,000 canisters of depleted uranium hexafluoride that were stored at the site. From there, attention shifted to tearing down the 5 massive enrichment facilities that sprawled millions of square feet. K-29 was the first to come down in 2006. Then, in 2008, demolition began on the iconic U-shaped K-25 building. Other crews worked nearby to tear down the 1.6 million square foot K-33 building in 2011. K-25 was the largest building in the world when it was constructed during World War II, and it covered 44 acres. After 5 years of demolition, workers finished bringing down the last portion of the structure in 2013. K-31 and K-27, the final 2 enrichment facilities at ETTP, came down in 2015 and 2016, achieving DOE's goal to remove all enrichment facilities by 2016. Workers moved quickly to address the remaining buildings in an effort to complete all demolitions at ETTP by the end of 2020. Crews started that effort by knocking down the most contaminated buildings left at the site, known as the Poplar Creek facilities. They followed by demolishing the Tosca incinerator, K-1037 building, K-1600 building, and the towering centrifuge complex that stood more than 200 feet tall. The same site that made history decades earlier made history again, as workers became the first site in the world to remove a former enrichment complex. Then, crews spent the remaining time excavating the contaminated soil from ETTP. The path to Vision 2024 required the demolition of more than 500 buildings and 50,000 truckloads of soil. Along the way, DOE transferred land for new growth, constructed buildings to share the site's history, and protected areas for conservation. That's something worth celebrating.